Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the display promotional notifications in Opera GX to make your browsing experience cleaner and more focused. Let's get started. First, open your Opera GX browser. If you don't have it open already, go ahead and launch it now. Next, click on the Opera GX icon in the top left corner of your screen to open the menu. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down until you find an option called Display Promotional Notifications. Simply toggle the switch to turn it off and disable all promotional notifications from Opera. That's it! You've successfully disabled promotional notifications in Opera GX. You can now enjoy a more focused and uninterrupted browsing experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.